Right, guys, but it is Jeremy Place here, back with another video, and today, as I said last time, we're starting the series. So now we're just going to be amazingly boss and do a flipping Nerf battle because we feel like it. The rules are, it's first 5. If you hit any body part, it's 1 point. If you hit the head, it's 3 points. These pistols, yeah, because they are so flipping powerful, they hurt a lot. And at the end, if you watch till then, I will tell you what the time is in the description below when we start it. We will do a standoff with a little surprise in it, aka. Stop it. What did you do? Well, oh yeah, that's Nat. If you've never seen him in real life, that's Nate.
Probably haven't.
Yeah, you probably have because only my friends see me. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, let's do it.
As you can see, we are here, and okay, these are main bases. One right here, is mine. The other one is right where that yellow jacket is, which is my dad's. DFS isn't sponsored, but that's where it works. So to do the rules, we will be using blue versions, which are just a bit more powerful and painful, really. He's going to be black because he's got a black top, not being racist at all. I'm going to have a red top, which I'm going to put on, take my jumper off in a minute, show you. And yeah, basically, it depends how long this is. But we could split it into 2 games, or we might just keep it at 1. It depends how long it is. So yeah, let's do this.
Started, and at one point I will do the first person shooter point of view. Ow!
Shot!
Yeah!
You lost 1.
Right. Wow.
What the heck was that? Is that for me to get my ammo?
Oh, Nat, you need to get rid of that chair. I'm back in here.
It's moved to this chair so I can actually shoot now. Oh, did I hit? Nope. Oh, rebounds are 2 points as well. If it hits the wall and then hits you, then that's 2 points. It's actually like half points, but that's easy to do. Did I hit you? No, mate. We can't lie, it hits us by the way. Oh, I hit you. No, then. Wait, time out. Oh, yeah. Just taking off the jumper. It's getting serious. Like and subscribe, and if we get 10 likes and 5 subscribers, bit low by well, I will do this again with a ninja mask. And if you haven't ever seen that, I'll show you right now, live on this no hit count. And yeah, basically, come on. So, some 6. Sorry about this. Nay, entertain them. Oh, I've done it, never mind. No, mate, I'm going to entertain them. Okay. Get ready to be exploded. Can you see me? I can't see your head. Can you see my legs? No, get back. Can you see my legs? Yeah. Oh! And this is what it looks like. It's pistol. Shots. Okay. And... time. Do this, guys. Oh! You just got saved right then. Well, and if you want me to do any 6 slow-mos, Nat, we can't see you get down. Needs to be proper, come on. Oh! Comment if that bullet really hit the iPad. I can see it, bullet. Oh! Yeah. 3, 2. Oh my gosh. Oh! No, I heard that whistle in my ear. Can you see me? Can actually. You're really dark in that area. You go back. Go back. Go back. Hey, I'm really dark. I dropped my bullet. So embarrassing. You better go back. Yeah, that looks sick, doesn't it, guys? First person flipping camera. Yes. Bang. Bang. Shoot the gun off. Shoot the gun off. Wait. Go on, let's do this. Yeah, that's full on first person, mate. Yeah, stop playing GTA and do this. Just do this in front of the camera. Oh wow, it's wearing the goggles. And we were going to use some sick guns, but we found out they were actually just big and but they're actually terrible. Yeah. Okay, same rules as last time. If you catch it, you win. 3 points on a headshot, 1 point on any part of the body, and let's do this. Oh, that's 2. Yep, and 2 if it rebounds. Slam in a minute. Come on, do normal motion, come on. Camera's there. I know where a camera is. No, that it can't see things. There you go. Isn't that beautiful, friends? Oh! Ah!